Unleash visual magic. Dive into the world of Silicone Edge Graphics. Prepare to be wowed by the sheer brilliance of Silicone Edge Graphics, also known as SEGs, the hip and happening trend taking visual displays to a whole new level. Totally frameless finesse. Picture this, graphics with a flawless silicone edge slipping into frames for a seamless, frame-free look. SEGs are all about that sleek, modern vibe that lets your visuals steal the spotlight. Talk about turning heads. But don't forget, these need to be installed to look pro. Okay, no sweat. SEGs are the superheroes of easy setup. The silicone edge slides smoothly into the frame's groove, locking everything in place without the drama. It's quick, it's cool, and it's guaranteed to make you smile. Every space, any place, got a space. SEGs got your back. Whether it's a retail bonanza, an event extravaganza, or a corporate showdown, these graphics bring the boom. They're like the ultimate style accessory for any environment. Graphics on the go. Stay fresh and fabulous with SEG graphic magic. Need a change? Swap out graphics like a pro, it's super easy. Update for a new season, a special event, or just because you're feeling fancy. Mind-blowing impact. SEGs don't play around when it comes to visual drama. They keep graphics clean, colors vibrant, and your message unmissable. It's like a visual masterpiece that pops right off the wall, leaving everyone in awe. Get ready to embrace the future of display innovation. At American Graphic Contractors, we're SEG installation champs, ready to help turn your ideas into jaw-dropping realities. Let's chat and dive into the world of Silicone Edge Graphics, where visuals get a seriously stylish upgrade. Visit us at www.americangraphiccontractors.com for more information.